And there is no better feeling than seeing that paycheck hit on Friday morning. The only feeling that's better than that is having that paycheck hit, but you didn't trade any time for it. I want to show you how you make $1,000 a month in dividends. And to be honest, it's going to take quite a bit of more money than you think. Before we get into the video, I want to say thank you to all the channel members. I really appreciate you guys, and I appreciate everybody watching the channel, seriously. I can remember my first day as a diesel mechanic, driving 45 minutes from Baltimore City down to Landover, Maryland, Hyattsville, outside of Washington, D.C. Walking in, meeting everybody, standing against a concrete cinder block wall, watching all the techs and mechanics walk in, stare me up and down like I just entered prison. I think one of them named me Greenhorn and the other one named me Boise. Can't even say the word on day one. But that's what I had to do to get the paycheck. I had a newborn child. How's it going?
It's going.
Nice. The very first job they gave me was a repair order for a waste management trash truck. They told me I was going to help Marty pull the transmission out. That was the day a boy became a man. If you've ever had to take the rear engine mounts off a waste management trash truck, put jack stands underneath it, and a chain, and then pull the transmission out on a floor jack, you know what I'm talking about. Trucks like that right there, I could have the transmission out of that in 45 minutes if it has an Allison. I've taken thousands of them out. On the opposite side of that cab, there's a latch. You pull it, you flip the cab straight up. You can see the top bell housing bolts of the transmission just zip, 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 zip. Go underneath, unhook the NSBU switch, output speed sensor, input speed sensor, drive shaft. Drive shaft carrier bearing. That's right there. See it hanging in the middle. Drop it down. Take the torque converter bolts out through the front going this way. Drop the trans down. Oh, and you gotta unhook the cooler lines. And you gotta drain the pan. I'm getting way off topic. Way off topic. I'm trying to just have videos where I have one topic. All right, so we want to make $1,000 a month from dividends. First thing we need to do is we need to multiply our monthly amount by 12 because we need to know how much we need to make a year. So we need $12,000 a year. Well, how are we going to get that? We need to know how much our yield is. That's what percentage the dividend is. Well, there's a lot of options. You could buy Chevron stock. You could buy an ETF like SCHD. If you don't know what an ETF is, it's like a basket of stocks. You could buy VYM from Vanguard. It's like 400 stocks or 300 stocks, I can't remember. All dividend paying stocks, and they average out the yield. So the yield is the percentage you're going to make. So for example, let's just say we're going to get $12,000 a year. To figure out exactly how much you need to have invested, figure out what it is you want to buy. I'm going to show in this video a few different options, and you can see how quick it would take you to get there. So the first thing, let's say we're going to go with SCHD. Let's look up SCHD's dividend yield. So now you know what your yield is. So what we're going to do is you're going to take your yield, okay? And you're going to take your $12,000 and you're going to divide it by the yield. Now you might say, that sucks. I don't want to do that. It takes way too long. That's way too much money. So there's other options. So you can go further up the risk spectrum to find something that pays a higher dividend yield. But remember, there's caveats to those things. You have to account for taxes, and you have to account for the expenses you pay to buy and hold that thing. So we can get into that a little bit in the video. First, let's take a commercial break. Let's take a little commercial break to look at this Herrera S with an aero kit. Ooh, I am not mad at it. I am not mad at it. We got the Targa sitting pretty. I am not mad at it. What do we have here? Woo! Look at here. Man, I like this spec. I feel like when you get the silver window trim, you get a little classier. It gets a little bit classier. Man, I was looking at my car through the screen. See, I still like mine. because I was looking at it through the screen. Man, that Turbo S is nice. That arrow, red one with the arrow kit is really cool looking. The Porsche people are like, why is this guy outside the dealership again at 5 in the morning? What is going on with this guy? Let's go look inside what they have in here. Let's go see. They got the tennis ball, they got the pickleball colored Carrera Cabriolet in there. And then they got a nice, this looks like a newer 992, I can't tell. Oh no, that's a 991.1. That's nice though. I always like, ooh, dude, that one's nice. That is nice. Damn, they got that thing tight in there. Holy. Ooh, look at that silver Cayman. Yeah, I always like these wheels. I always like those wheels. As the, like if I, well actually no, the wheels that came with my car, they're like 10 spoke ones. I think they're these ones. These are probably my favorite stock Porsche wheels for the Carrera. Either these or those, but these are the ones mine came with. Any pricing? 2022, 6,000 miles. Now, I started this video by saying the best feeling in the world is having that paycheck hit. But the best feeling is having the paycheck hit and you don't trade your time for it. Well, there's a feeling beyond that. And that's getting a raise without even having a job. All right, guys, I just finished in the gym. I'm gonna actually end this video here, and the next video I'm gonna talk about how you can get a raise without having a job.